get started for you today?
Good morning. Could I get the sausage McGriddles and a large Diet Coke?
Just one of those?
Yep.
Is that all for you today?
That's it.
It's gonna be $5.70 per window.
Thank you. Wow. What a heck of a day at work. The motor on the hot tub went down. And so we had to pull that. And they're like, well, while we're here, let's clean it. Alright, so I've just been scrubbing and scraping and cleaning this hot tub. It's looking nice though. Hopefully it'll clean up and look really, really good. But if you can see the back, the transfer station was open. I did it during my lunch break. So yeah, all the stuff in the bed of the truck is gone. That makes me excited. I just walked in my shed expecting it to be cold, and it is not cold. Guess who forgot to shut off the heaters last night? So, it's actually kind of nice in here. Man, I've been trying to get rid of this headache all day. It does not feel good. Not pleasant, but I'm determined to still organize that mess. Alright, status on the battery. Charging, maintaining. So this battery's good, as I suspected. Now we've got the chemical shelf to take care of. Which means I need to go get into the Jeep because I have a case of that brake clean in there. Alright, I'll be right back. So here's going to be the before. I guess the first thing that should be addressed is why this transmission fluid is on the floor. Why these screws are on the floor when they were up there before. Well, the screws actually go up here, and the oil goes where the oil goes. I'll show you guys that sometime. But as far as the chemical shelf, we have, I had to throw some away, some spray paint cans because they were no good. We've got denatured alcohol, acetone, alcohol, brake caliper, grease, liquid tape, grease, some wasp killer, and gap filler. And then up here we have the case and a half of O'Reilly's brake parts cleaner. Every mechanic needs that. Some silicone lubricant, don't really care what kind it is. And some electronics cleaner in the back. I don't know why this is in here, this tire coating. I don't use it, first of all, and second of all, like, it shouldn't be in here. It should actually be in one of those totes. And then we've got my spray paint cans right here. No particular reason I have these spray paint cans. I just thought I might need some spray paint, so I just bought some when it was on sale. I got the chemical shelf cleaned. One thing I didn't do was go get gas today for the Corvette. I really wanted to do that. Finally my headache's gone. It only took a lot of Tylenol and a lot of Advil, so it's good now. And I did have to move the bike to get into the corner there. So I gotta move that back, which is gonna be a pain in the butt because there's not room. That's gonna be it for today. Thank you guys for watching. Thanks for liking the video, and thank you for subscribing to the channel. And I'll see you guys tomorrow.